Welcome to the London Faith and Belief Community Awards. Tonight is an opportunity to recognize the unsung heroes of London. FNBF has been working for over 25 years to build good relations between people of all different faith and belief backgrounds.
With a range of amazing nominations, we are delighted to be able to award 32 groups, to recognize a further 24 and also celebrate 6 outstanding individuals.
The vision of the awards has been to honor the contribution to social cohesion made by community groups such as yours.
There are thousands and thousands of charities, and tonight is just a small token of recognition for the fantastic work that's being done. To know the time and effort people put in selflessly to help their communities has been inspirational. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything that you do for work across London.
We are celebrating values. Values many of us share, whatever faith or beliefs we have.
In order to truly understand, you need to get close. These awards are going to continue. They've been supported in an amazing way, most especially by David Dangoor. David is not only a Deputy Lieutenant, the Chair of the Faith Council, but David has also been the patron and the supporter. And the Faith and Belief Forum, we've decided that as we take these awards forward over the coming years, we are going to call them the Dangoor Awards.
Everyone can be great, because anyone can serve. You just need a big heart and a spirit driven by love.
Grassroots is where the heart of the human people are.
This is the first time that we've been recognised as a project in 8 years, so we are so proud to be here. We're so thankful to be here.
The way the awards were, from start to finish, was just a fantastic evening.
To be actually nominated for an award was amazing.
One of the biggest highlights for me was to see all of our friends and partners being recognised for the amazing work that we all do in the borough.
If you have enough people working every day in small ways, things change.
At a time when faith is being tested, I think celebrations like this are even more important to recognise how faith can actually build bridges across London.
The organisations that have been awarded to date are thoroughly deserving of the small recognition we've been able to give them. But as we know, a small recognition goes a long, long way.
The spirit in the room was fantastic. We're all brothers and sisters. We can do so much for each other, and we can come to each other's rescue whenever times are hard.
마음에게 약간 손주기 천도 선수 스타 통계 이게 때들이 맨날 이런 스타 통계인 게 맨날 점점했어. 아, 그것도 도로인바 이나야 안에 특히 거기 샤모 있는다. 그리고 도로 있는다. 그거 참아도 되나? 차제 참아도 지샤도 강한 고리 있던 고리 샤모에 공부만도 류에 도로야. 마음에 듣지 되나 봐도 매이자 듣기 살에 제가 내리체네. 나도 드리네. 저기 동작에 투토리아. 레드로 아토스테는 저거다. 주모도 투토시에 살에.
tu jin chen